Mr. People, after the pastor come out a couple days ago, and burn some fire upon a couple of them and big up Planka Boss and make some of them know that they need to leave Planka Boss alone. One of Donna haters, them come out on social media, not one, two, come out on social media and I burn out the pastor and I say, oh, can you support a SCAMMA and a thief? You get me? I say, people, you know who me talk about already. None other than Cracker Teeth and Michelle Darkshaw. You see me? Now, people, listen me carefully now. You see, them say the truth hurt. And the truth is the truth. And some people don't like the truth. Due to the fact that the pastor come out and defend Aunty Donna and talk good about her, people say Donna pay them and all these things. You see me? Laura and our crew. Now guys, we don't support phonish around here. When they want to come on them platform and spread the same kind of lie over and over and over and circulate it like when blender mix and feed it to them fans them and then them fans believe so yeah man a circle. You see me? Now people, that pastor, him talk some really good things the other day. Most person, I would have said, agree with what he's saying. You can have other persons basically don't agree. But Cracker Teeth and Michelle Bradshaw burn a fire upon the pastor and them say him false. You see me? Them say yo, him not make no sense. And him need to come off of social media and it's almost like say him a pick up for Planka Boss when them say Planka Boss is a SCAMMA. Guys, you see Laura and Michelle Bradshaw, them have a plan. You see me? And them plan is to investigate Planka Boss until they die. Them now stop do it. So no matter how some people come on social media say them want peace, no, there will be no peace. These two individuals are under the influence. Them not have no sense. Them basically go out on a daily basis and find out information about Donna, who Donna link with and all these things. I think so when Donna did the America, things will change. But I guess they get worse right about now people. And it's due to the fact that the pastor did talk about Laura, she never like it. She never like it. But if understand say, you see two of them are go down one day. Yeah, because you cannot come on social media and spread all kind of rumors about people. And true, so Donna now about the court thing right about now. Uno feels that they must eat up and go all out now and talk the most bad things about the lady. And the lady don't nothing at all. You see me? Uno hear all kind of false evidence in Jamaica and then run with it and turn it into content. The lady over there so in America do for her thing. She come back to Jamaica now because she knows the cake season now come up and she want come on Jamaica come set everything at all for her business and do all these things. And yet still hear these two people and their platform talking about Planka Boss and this and the same regular thing. There's nothing at all new. That's why I'm saying that Planka Boss could never be a guilty person. Because why would they be saying the same thing over and over? Because they want to bring new person to believe what they are saying, and then when they believe, they will of course follow the crew and then they will continue to hate Planka Boss. No, we don't support this thing, right? So them are going with people. And my God of the pastor see it and he was there to correct it and make them know say yo, them are demons. Both Laura and Michelle Bradshaw and what you want to call our people. Them need to leave Planka Boss alone. Them need to leave people, make them live their life. You see me? Them need to get off of social media because they can't be on social media for almost every couple of days and then you are bringing the same energy. Nothing at all new. Nothing refreshing. It's all about Donna. There's other people to talk about. There's other content to talk about. There's other things that are going on in the world and in Jamaica what only can talk about. But in a stuck on Donna name and feel say what I do is something good. No. It ain't gonna work. And for you, Laura, where you are saying so Donna need to come sue you, or if Donna have the money, she need to come beg the money for sue you. You are a mad individual. You are sick upstairs. Something definitely is taking place in your life. You see me? Because if you're a married woman, if you can spend so much time on social media talking about an ex-woman, it just tells that something is wrong with your life. You see me? Something about you just not right. And down to the pastor can see it. And if the pastor can see it, who else cannot see it? You are a pestilence, you are a troublemaker on social media. You're not gonna stop. You're gonna continue over and over and over and over and over until them take out all your page. Yeah. You see other day them take out your page? Yeah, I saw it go. I saw it go. Why your page gone? And what you do? You have to sit down and sit your ass down and think. You need to leave Donna alone. Leave Planka Boss alone. Planka Boss live our life. And stop spending all the time on social media talking about Donna. You don't have life to live. You don't have better things to do than talk about Donna. What Donna do to you? I tell you, these persons that carry feelings pan ear, and still I carry feelings up to now. You see me? Why not carry so much feelings for people house and people success? Why not carry belly and I bring back past? We not talk about Trishana, we not talk about gunman, we not talk about this, we not talk about that. It's not a good look, man. Take a look on yourself. Take a look on yourself, yo. When you cannot come on social media and I do the same thing over and over and I get the same result and still I do it. Is it worth it? No, it's not worth it. And then when the pastor burning out now, no one come disrespect the pastor. These two blind mice. The two blind mice that on social media where run with anything that them can get. Enough is enough, man. What kind of success can you get from that? What kind of investigation you guys doing? Up to now, not investigate and thing and you can't get no result. When you can't get nothing at all. You see me? I want to continue to do the same thing over and over and you don't care. So people, understand me I say? Yeah, man, I say it go, man. I just say it go, people. Them are just continue and make a fool of themselves. You see me? I ain't going nowhere. So, if they not give up on thing, God I can deal with them. Because, according to them, they have all the evidence against Donna. They must say them use Donna word against her. And Donna cannot carry a quote. You see me? That's what Lorraine said. That's what Michelle Bradshaw said. So, them people are for later, guys. Let's watch and see how the pastor will react to them. Because them two, them take it to heart. You see me? Why not respond back? Because through the man talk good about Donna. I don't want you nothing to talk good about Donna. I don't want the worst. You see me? I don't want the worst. Donna, I'm not a friend. Now in the family, I don't want the worst of the woman. On the platform, I talk the most bad things about the woman. I only know live a better life. You see me? Only now live a better life than Donna. I just want to get the attention and the spotlight. For what I don't know. I don't want to be on top. Top of the top. You want Michelle Bradshaw, but remember, when time come on, I have to give account on the scene, make sure they can do that. You see me? So they can spend our phone time and talk to the lady involved in all kind of illegal activity. You see me? But make sure say when phone time come, the things that are reach, only can't stand up to it. You see me? So people, best up on yourself, yeah man, best up on yourself. Let them go on, continue. Spend time and bonfire from Blanca Boss. The pastor don't talk for him. Thing already. You see me? And it a burn them. Them not like it. Them not like it. Yeah, they might tell the pastor they must have called them name. And which them are the problems on social media. They have done so many wrongs on social media and still do it the same way. And still not the result what they want. Because guess something. How can you get the result? No, not wicked. You're not a troublemaker. I don't know why all this are going on. I don't know the main contributor toward this. I want to try to bring a lady soon. See me? We don't have no plans. I want to do. But for how long? See me? For how long? So here's my going people. Let them do what they have to do. See me? So, you know, best upon yourself there, guys. And thanks everyone for watching the video. Big up to those who like the video and leave their thought in the comment section. Remember to live peacefully. See me? YouTube guideline is a must. Stay tuned, people.